Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to connect your mobile phone camera into your PC as a webcam. In these days, you have a trouble when you use a PC. Normally, laptop users didn't get in this trouble because it has built-in webcam. In PCs, we don't have a webcam to record the video or something, or get into a meeting with your face appearance. It can't without a webcam. In this pandemic situation, you have to risk your life when you get into a shop and get a webcam. It is little risky, but now I showing a method to use your mobile phone camera as a webcam. After watching this video, you can you don't want to get a webcam to your PC, then we are going to see how to do it. On your PC, you have to open a suitable your browser and search droidcam, then enter or click search. When you search it, it's calling Dave 47 apps. This is the download. We have to download this app. You can download from this clicking this download button. Then we are going to its site, and you have to when you have Linux, you can download this one. Windows users, we can download this Windows client. Your phone have to Android 4.0 or up version, 4.4 version or up one, and for iOS users, you have to or iOS 9.0 or up later versions. Now I'm going to download the Windows client from this droidcam client. Clicking this one, you can download it. I have downloaded and installed it. Then I'm not going to download it again. When you're using Android phone, you can download it from Google Play Store. From App Store, you can get to your you can get this app to your iPhone tab or whatever. Now I'm going to open the droidcam app. You can simply click this one, or in the Windows droidcam client. Both are okay to start. I'm going to start this one. Now you start this one, you are going within droidcam client window and connect window. In this connect window, you can use Wi-Fi connection or your USB cable to connect your phone into PC. Wi-Fi is connect or USB. I'm going to use the Wi-Fi. When you download and install it your phone and open it, the upside corner you can see a Wi-Fi IP. You have to type it in this area, and then when you start this one, your camera is phone camera is working as a webcam. When you haven't a mic also, you can click this audio and tick it and start. Then your phone mic is working as your PC mic. I'm not going to tick it. Then start. Then when you start, you can get a review of your camera. Then when you pin it, when you zoom in and zoom out from your phone, you can zoom in and zoom out your camera. Then I'm going to stop this one, and in these times we are meeting from Zoom and Teams such as apps. Now I'm going to show how to connect your droidcam to your Zoom meeting. I already opened a meeting. Then you can click this up tick and select one of this source 2 or 3 and start video. This one is stopped because I stopped the droidcam client. Your cam is connecting only when you start the droidcam client. Now you can use your mobile phone as a webcam. That's all for the how to connect your mobile phone into your PC as a webcam. Any comments about this video, you can comment in the comment bar. Thanks for watching my video, and for a little support when you watch this. Is it when it is useful to you, you can share this video to your friends, and for little help you can subscribe my channel. Then thank you for watching my video, and goodbye for all. Let's see in a next video. Thank you.